keep my wife in the background there so you can see her. For all your Polish supporters, that is. Because I'm always being asked, where's your wife, where's your wife? But yeah. Back to the channel. I'm out with Peaky finders today. I'm on field 1. We've got 3 fields today. This one's never been detected that I'm aware of. And look who this stranger is. I'm back out with my wife.
Morning.
She's out with a Manticore with the M9, and so am I. So enjoy. See you at the first hole, no matter what it is. Thank you very much for joining me, and hopefully see you at the end. Thank you very much. Bye. All right, first hole. It's a 24-25. Not very far down. Let's have a look. Oh, something there. There you go. Is that a coin or a button? Coin. No, it's not, it's a button. There you go, first hole, button. There you go. That's 93. Just turn that radio down. Whatever it is, it's just there. Can it be a coin? Probably not. Not straight off like that. Second hole. No. Buckle. Got ourselves a buckle. There you go. One buckle. Well, evolution. There's your spade. Just snapped. Oh well. Not to worry. Right, evolution. Maybe not anymore. One snap spade. Not to worry. Put you back on. Put you on, sorry. The spade I'm using now is my wife's. Mine's knackered. It was coming up to high numbers, but I don't quite know what was going on there. It's out now. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Maybe I do need the pinpointer still. Oh, what's that? This was a 46. Is that a hammered? Nah, probably not. I don't know. Oh, off with the gloves. possible. Unlegible one. If it is, I'm going to say that that's hammered. Just give it a wipe. Looks silver to me. It's a very warm one anyway, but hammered. And there you go, hammered. My wife's called me over. She's got a blinder apparently, so let's see how she goes with her digging.
Okay. In there.
She's got a 36, 35, 36. Bang on the line. Look at her getting her hands dirty, eh?
Yeah, I don't care.
Yes, it's raining as well. Yeah, I think we won't put that one in the video. Oh, I don't know. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a bit of lead.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
No, it's just a bit of lead, sweetheart.
It was a good sound though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was,
You would
definitely.
have dug it.
Oh yeah, 100%. Right, it's out. Give my wife back her spade.
Thank you.
Oh, what we got? Oh, I thought it was a goldie then. It's not, it's a button. It's a button. Look at that. Bit of gold on it. But yeah, button. Never mind. Still got the shank intact. What was that?
Right.
Ah, have I got another hammered? Or is that a button? No,
Be a button,
this
right?
one.
Sound
This one's a button. Right, definite button. And there you go. There's a shank there, or what was the shank. It's got some writing on there as well. Right, it's out. It's out. There's going to be a button. Right. What's that? Don't know what that is. Aluminium ball or might have been a button at some stage. That may have been a button. It's heavy. Or a pin top. But there you go. It's heavy though, very heavy. So I'm not too sure. I've got 47, 48, a bit of an exclamation mark going on the screen. It doesn't matter which way round I go. It's the same number all the time. Same set of numbers, I should say. Still in there. Let's have a look with the pointer then. I wasn't expecting it to be in still, I thought it was only going to be shallow. Oh, maybe I was just slightly off. Bullet, I think. Yeah, so it looks like a bullet head. Big lump of lead. And there you go. Right, we just come over to have a bit of lunch. There's obviously a few little bits and bobs just here. My missus just went, oh, what's that round thing there?
My first coin of the day.
And it's a 20p piece.
I'm having that.
Just sitting on the floor. So yeah. So there's the bits and bobs that are already left there. There you go. It's a clay pipe everywhere. There's nothing there to suggest that there was a shank there at all, but it certainly looked button shaped. So I'm going to go with the button. It may not be. But there you go. Right, there is no wind. I don't know what this is. Sorry about no gloves. Looks like a pendant. Yeah, looks like a pendant. I'll just give it a squirt. That's the first hole of the new field.
What have you found already?
A pendant.
Pardon?
I don't know, it looks like a pendant. Right, the microphone's kicked in now. I was just chatting away, but yeah, looks like I've just found a pendant of some sort. Right, the entrance to the field, and it's I don't quite know what the symbol is on there. But yeah, it's got a symbol that side, and yeah, that's where the necklace went through. I've got a pendant of some sort. There you go. Right then, there's wifey. Say hello.
Hello. Very dirty wifey.
Yeah, if only. She's going to show me her finds from today. No coin. Oh no, there was coins.
Oh, a couple
Sorry.
of 20p pieces. Nothing special. Bit of an armoury day.
There you go. A few bits there. Some buttons. 50 cal. 22 casing. Where are we?
Unsure of.
Yeah, we're not too sure about this one. Not sure if that might be Roman or something. It's got a little pattern on there. We've got some lead, musket ball shot, and two 20p pieces. So how did you feel the Manticore treated you today?
Good, yeah. I didn't pick a lot of iron up. I normally get iron, and I only had one piece.
That's good.
So
you enjoyed it?
Yeah, I'll give it another go.
Good. I don't want to sell another one. Right, here's my what I would say is the not so good finds, but to be fair, that they're all right actually. We've got a lead bullet, a buckle, some buttons. Got this in this field, so it's like a I think it's a pendant of some sort with a weirdo pattern on the end of it. And then coins wise, well, I didn't get as many as my wife did, but yeah, I did get silver.
Pay some to beat two.
I did get silver, so there you go. It's not very good condition, but yeah, got a silver hammered. And the other bit of silver today, which I should have shown in the other pot, I believe is a pinhead. So I believe it's a silver pinhead. Oh, it's very heavy. So there's the head, there it is there, and then when you roll it over, I believe the pin used to go into that little slot there. So yeah, so a silver pinhead. Possibly a bit of silver, I'm not too sure, I'm not convinced. But obviously a silver hammered, so yeah, not too bad. If you did get this far, thank you very much. I will just take you off. So if you did get this far, thank you very much, much appreciated. Don't forget, LP, if you want anything metal detecting related, I do have an offer code, so when you go to checkout, just put OPS10 and that will get you 10% off most items.
And we may be using that for a new spade.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for that. If you didn't see it, I snapped the spade. Yeah, looking for a new spade. And it was an evolution, so it wasn't a cheap one. But never mind. As I say, thanks for watching, thanks for getting this far, and see you on the next.
Bye.
Bye.